Hello, I am Henrik Andersen. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer in Spectricity. We're a company in Belgium, and we do miniaturized multispectral image sensors. Our solution captures the spectral signature of the object and the scene to reveal the information that is hidden from conventional cameras. A standard RGB sensor has 3 channels. Our sensor has 16 channels, and that allows us to decompose the spectrum of the light across our entire imager. This is going to be the smartphone camera of the future. We will not replace the standard camera, but we will be a companion chip to solve the issues with color accuracy and auto-white balancing. We see ourselves as a new class of imaging because we have shrunk the known hyperspectral and multispectral technology to a size, a form factor, and cost that is useful for a smartphone and other mobile applications. We have 16 channels. We have SVGA resolution by 860 by 680 pixels, and we cover the visible and near IR spectrum from 400 to 850 nanometer. In comparison with a normal RGB camera and ambient light sensor, we are able to accurately capture the full spectrum information. And what can we then do with it? We can provide 3 times the color accuracy for the smartphone. Not only do we increase the color accuracy of the images in the smartphone, we also solve the issues of auto-white balancing in challenging conditions. Here we have compared our solution with the Apple iPhone Pro, but we also have done it with Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixels, and so on. In a challenging situation where the white point is not clearly defined, we changed the illumination source from warm white to cold light, and as you can see on the top row, the pictures changes colors quite rapidly. Our solution provides very consistent colors across the situation. But not only is it used for color accuracy, we also use it for beauty and health investigation, food safety, agriculture inspection, security, medical application, and many more. And we want to enable that for any mobile device, including smartphone, but also new mobile devices. So we work with Qualcomm to integrate directly with the Snapdragon platform, and we are working now with other companies to also integrate our data path and drivers with their platform. Our market strategy is to first target the specialty applications to validate our use cases, and thereafter push into the smartphone market to reach high volume business. We are working with every smartphone manufacturer in the world, including some that is not mentioned on this slide. We are also validating our solution with major manufacturers of home appliances, smart cameras, and many other solutions. We have an experienced team across the world taking care of both our technical, go-to-market, and supply chain leadership. What we are looking for is partnerships to validate our use cases in different domains and explore new applications where you can take existing applications of hyperspectral imaging and put it into a mobile application. We want to build our ecosystem by working with new people to engage with our development kit and develop algorithms that can be ported to the smartphone. And finally, we are seeking investment. Our fundraising is ongoing right now. We are raising money to push our product into production. We have a term sheet signed for extended round B, and existing shareholders are committed. To summarize who Spectricity is, we were founded in 2018. We're a deep tech spin-off from IMEC based on 15 years of R&D. We are bringing true color to all mobile devices, targeting a market of 1.3 billion smartphones per year, but starting with niche markets to engage the market. We have raised 28 million euros to date, and the existing investors are committed to the next round. We have 43 employees across the world, with our headquarters being in Belgium, but we have go-to-market team in USA, China, Singapore, Taiwan, and Malaysia. We have our first product ready, and we are reaching the qualification ready to push into mass production by end of the year. And the supply chain has been qualified and is ready to support mass volume. We have a large patent portfolio to protect our technology, and I hope this brings the conclusion of who Spectricity is, and hopefully you will reach out to us and learn more about our company. Thank you.
Thank you, Henrik, from Spectricity. Perfect job, just in time.
Okay.
I could allow one question. Jury members, is there a question you would like to ask Spectricity?
Great presentation, really well done. The only aspect we haven't really touched on, maybe because of time, is that technology. So, fortunately or unfortunately, I come from the CMOS image sensor world, and I know how challenging it is to put, RGB filters on a sensor. Now you're putting 16 of those, right? So, how do you guys do that?
So, we work with existing commercially available CMOS imaging sensors, and we apply our patented filter layers on top. It's publicly known we work with X-FAB in Malaysia, and we have taken the technology developed at IMEC and transferred it to the fab in Malaysia. We do thin film filters in the deposition, and of course the detailed technology I cannot share with you here, but we have developed a technique that allows us to scale to additional filters in a very cost-effective way. So we have specific patents to protect our technology there, and the whole point was we can do this in a cost-effective way so we can target this market.